And you're like an 80s Jesus, and you revel in your psychosis. How dare you? And you sample concepts like hors d'oeuvres, and you eat their questions for dessert. Is it just me, or is it hot in here? And you're like a 90s Kennedy, and you're really a million years old. You can't fool me. They'll throw opinions like rocks in riots, and they'll stumble around like hypocrites. Is it just me, or is it dark in here? Well, you may never be our happy husband, you may never have or hold a child. You will learn to lose everything. We are temporary arrangements. And you're like a 90s Noah, and they laughed at you as you packed all of your things, and they wonder why you're frustrated. And they wonder why you're so angry. And is it just me, or are you fed up? God bless you in your travels, in your conquests and queries.
Never seen you looking so lovely as you did tonight. I've never seen you shine so bright. seen so many men ask you if you wanted to dance. Looking for a little romance, given half a chance. I have never seen that dress you're wearing, or the highlights in your hair that catch your eye. I have been blind, lady in red is dancing with me, cheek to cheek. There's nobody here, it's just you and me. It's where I wanna be, but I hardly know. This beauty by my side, I'll never forget the way you look tonight. I've never seen you looking so gorgeous as you did tonight. I've never seen you shine so bright. You were amazing. Never seen so many people wanna be there by your side. And when you turn to me and smile, you took my breath away. I have never had such a feeling, such a feeling of complete and utter love as I do tonight. Lady in red is dancing with me, cheek to cheek. There's nobody here, it's just you and me.
Saw the world turning in my sheets, and once again I cannot sleep. Walk out the door and up the street, look at the stars beneath my feet. Remember rights that I did wrong, so here I go. Hello, hello. There is no place I cannot go. My mind is muddy, but my heart is heavy, does it show? I lose the track that loses me, so here I go. And so I sent some men to fight, and one came back at dead of night. Said he'd seen my enemy, said he looked just like me. So I set out to cut myself, and here I go. I'm not calling for a second chance, I'm screaming at the top of my voice. Give me reason, but don't give me choice, 'cause I'll just make the same mistake again. And maybe someday we will meet, and maybe talk and not just speak. Don't buy the promises, 'cause there are no promises I keep, and my reflection troubles me, so here I go. again.